Right now we are near Jyoti Nivas College. You can spend some time here. He is enjoying her samosa there. It's not cold, it's hot. It's fresh, nice. Kebab is hot and crispy. So there's a sudden influx of people. There are a lot of people in there, in front of the pubs, trying to get in. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we are out and about. Today is a Saturday, so we are going to Koramangala. So we are going by auto right now, and we are passing through Indiranagar. So we have come near to Koramangala, and here this road, I'm not sure what is the name of this road. This road leads to Jyoti Nivas College, and in this road you have like a lot of restaurants, pubs. Most of the pubs are in this area. Here, although we are starting with Sukhsagar, but starting from here, a lot of shops, and here one good looking shop is a Nature's Basket, and you can see the filter coffee there, and then on this side if you see a lot of shops. Oh wow, lots of restaurants. Here the very famous Nagarjuna is also there in this area only. You can see here, this is Nagarjuna, quite famous Andhra style food if you need. A lot is going on this side. Another cafe, good looking cafe, and here recently one temple has also opened. A lot of shops, a lot of cafe areas, a lot of places to hang out, chill, and you can see since it is Saturday, a lot of people also are here enjoying. This is a new temple, I believe, which has opened recently. Looks nice, and in this is also a temple, and this college is also very famous, St. John's Medical College. Somewhere the lights are not lit, but yeah, Iconic Fitness. Looks so very nice here. So we are about to arrive to our location. Right, you can see the neon lights. This area is also very famous, very lit. Always people are there enjoying the food. Yes, that Fuchka place is very nice. So we have arrived. We have actually booked till here, Jyoti Nivas College. Right. So we have arrived here. Right now we are near Jyoti Nivas College, and in this college I think some kind of fest is going on. So a lot of vibe is there here. Right. We will go. Where do you want to go? You want to go to eat samosa? Yeah. Right, we'll go to eat samosa now. Actually, I know a place. We have to walk a little bit actually to reach there. But there we can have good samosa. That's like a sweet shop, but they serve good quality samosas. And you can see today it's a vibe here. थोड़ा घूम के चले या फिर डायरेक्ट चलेगी समोसा?
नहीं, घूम के भी चलेंगे, थोड़ा दिखा दो।
हाँ ना। So since it's a Saturday night here, so today there's a lot of vibe, lot of people enjoying, just simply roaming around this place, and you can see how lit this place is. The place looks amazing, looks very nice. A lot of people, and you can see the lights, a lot of eateries. You can eat whatever you want, a lot of Domino's, and there are a lot of pubs also on that side. So we'll go that side and we'll show you better. Right, let us see.
Yeah, I think I'll try.
So you can see here a lot of lighting, I would say. You know, lot of lighting, lot of shops where you can eat. Even spas are there. Nice. Just over. So this place looks so very nice, so lit, and you can see there are shops on both the sides, on the left side also, and here cigarette shops and small jewelry shops, small cafes, where you can have like donuts, small pastries, smoke shop and all. And there we have Meghna Foods. Meghna Foods is again very famous here for Andhra style biryani and all. So here, this is Boho. Boho is like a pub, which is again very famous. And on this road, we have a lot of pubs on both the sides. So you can see the lighting here is so very nice. And you have to be little aware, people can bug you there. You know, they just try to take money from you selling flowers. So they do bug a little bit. If you have money, obviously you can give them and they are not going to bother you much. But you can see in this area, it's very lit. Lot of people, lot of pubs, and you know, they all are here enjoying. Yes, in this area you can see lot of pubs actually.
lot of people has come for party.
Lot of people has come for partying. Yes, true.
People are coming, I think, after 1 hour.
You can see so much neon lighting going on here. It all is. So every place is lit. Although there is a little bit of traffic as well, but the places are lit, and they keep calling you. The people around, they'll keep calling you if you want to party or anything like that. This looks nice. This is, I think, Tipsy Bull, another very famous bar here on the street, and we are also just roaming around this place. There was a lot of lighting in that part of the area. Here the lighting is a little less, but still you can further move, and there are also a lot of things are there. Lot of lightings here, lot of light. So I'm sure we are also looking very lit. Yes or no?
Yes.
Why I'm answering yes.
This is like a kind of like walking street. People are walking, and on both the sides you have pubs, house of dopamine, lot of pubs, lot of lighting. People keep asking if you want to party or something. That kind of scene is also there.
Bakery is also here, right?
Yeah, this Pizza Bakery and Paris Panini, I think they are owned by the same person or run by the same person or managed by the same person, I'm not sure. But some relation is there. I mean, many places they are together. This is another good looking bottles, pegs and chaknas. Yes, that is something you can try here. And you have your very own truffles as well here. Truffles is famous for burgers. Their burgers are very good. Then you have burgers. We had burger once there. Forgot how we had burger there once.
Burger was very great.
I think I had veg. I had chicken burger.
I had veg food.
And you had veg burger. Right. This is what Beer Garden. Again, it does something with the lighting. So overall, this area is lit. It's a party place. Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night also. A lot of people here enjoying. Yes or no? Nice. This is the best place to come in the evening, and you can spend some time here just walking around this street, but be a little careful. Here you can see some sort of art and craft is also going on. They have really done a good job in this place. This is the super club. It looks like some kind of residential thing is also there, and then you have this club as well, right? Right, great. Now here another set of restaurant, which is again very lit. You can see that place also. Cha. These lightings are looking nice. Beautiful lighting. Because of this light, I got a little bit of glare. But yeah, you can see it's changing colors. So overall, this place was lit. A lot of people, a lot of pubs, and a lot of places to eat as well. You can walk into any one of them and have a good time. And if you come to this end on the right hand side, if you go, you have that Forum Nexus Mall is there. There also you can spend some time, and then Kota Kachori is also there as well. Right. So now we'll go for our samosa shop. We'll go back to that road. This place is again looking lit. We are just going back on the same road because we need to go to a samosa shop, which we can get to by going through the same roads. So that is not an issue. So you can see here again a lot of lights. You can just walk around, enjoy. Today is full moon and we are here
One star is
and
also
it's
there on the side.
lit. People are walking. We are also walking, and come this side. We can have a look at the feeling, the vibe that you have in this place. It's really surreal, amazing, out of the world feeling here. Great. Right, so we just came from that side, that boho and all, where there a lot of people are there enjoying, chilling. Now from here, if you go to like this side, from that boho side, from that road that we came, we can go to this side, the Terra Bites you can see, and from there if we take a left, and then we'll go to that samosa place that we were talking about. So here again, a lot of places to eat here in Komangla. You can see another. This is some kunafa story, and opposite to it you have Amritsari Tuni North Indian. Right, so it's also nice. So here also a lot of people are sitting and enjoying their food, kebab and rolls. Great. This place is also looking nice, quite lit. Amazing, amazing. Great. You can see a lot of people are coming.
Samosa shop.
Yes, now we'll go to that samosa shop and have some samosas. We are very hungry now.
I'm really eagerly waiting for that samosa,
Yes, Babur, we'll go now. So see, here you have like a lot going on, and just if you come 200 meters and take a right there, and as you go inside, you will see it will be very peaceful. And that is where the samosa shop that we were talking about is there. In these road also, you can find some little shops, little restaurants, like this one is there, this little Calicut. So I think they serve Kerala style food. We could check it out someday, but not today. Right? Great. Right. So we are back now. We took a little bit of washroom break, and after that we are again going on the pursuit of the samosa that we want, right? So again, you can see we have come to a very peaceful lane now. There isn't a lot going on here. Here you have a nice park. This is just a residential area, so that samosa shop is there in that residential area
Can
only.
you show the moon?
And you can see the moon. It is like almost full moon, and I'm not sure whether it is a full moon, but the moon is looking nice. Great. We will go now. So we have come to the residential area now. Here you can see there's a park as well, and there was a time when we used to roam around these lanes for searching for homes to rent. This KHB colony here in Koramangala, it's quite expensive. I have lived here earlier, so that's why I wanted to live here again. Anyhow, so now the samosa shop is right around the corners, so we just need to walk a little bit more, right? Finally, by walking through those roads, we have come to the place where we wanted to, Sri Uday Sweets Bikaner Wale, and you can see she is enjoying her samosa there. Samosa, and we have ordered a samosa and a pyaj kachori. I used to come here. I have had few things here earlier, and it used to be very nice. In fact, I used to live here very nearby, just at a walking distance. In the morning, used to come here and have kachori and jalebi as breakfast. Right? Yes. So now I'll go join her and enjoy the delicacies with her. Right? Yes, Babu, what do you have? Oh, she has completely finished the samosa. How is the samosa, Babu? Just a moment. Today?
Samosa is small.
Is?
Small in size.
Small in size, but what about the taste?
Taste is great.
Tasty, right? It is small in size, but it's very tasty, very delicious. Right, great. Let me try a bite. Oh, it's hot. It's not cold, it's hot. It's fresh, nice. You're gonna love it. Then just take a bite and taste how it is. Nice. Samosa is crispy, it's warm, very nice. You want to have one more? No, this is a pyaz kachori. It's nice. Aloo and pyaz is loaded aloo pyaz kachori, and this is the chutney. I think they did not give the green chutney.
Green chutney is over.
You said?
I asked.
But this is amazing here. You must try this place if you are here in Bangalore. We are coming from far actually to have it here. Amazing taste. It's crispy, it's flavored. How is it, Babu?
It's very good.
Very good.
It tastes like homemade pyaj kachori.
It's actually like homemade pyaz kachori, it seems, right? Chalo, let me finish this. This is very nice. You must try this. You're gonna enjoy it. Right.
I've got one aloo bonda. I really wanted to have aloo bonda.
Another item.
Another item.
We completely finished the samosa and kachori. It was so nice. I'm not a big fan of aloo bonda, but yeah.
I really like aloo chop. you know. So it's similar to that, right? Yes or no?
Right, she likes aloo chops a lot. I'm only repeating it, Babu, because the mic is closer to me.
It's fun.
How is it? She, huh?
Taste is just similar to aloo chop. Very often.
Let me try a bit.
You might not like it much.
Because it was not warm, they actually heated it in microwave and given. But the samosa was fresh, and that made our day. It's kind of nice. Fine, but I'm done for today. Nice. So if you're here in Koramangala, do try this shop. It's very nice. You're gonna love it. So you can see she's still enjoying her aloo bonda. Really going at it, having the time of her life. Now what I'm going to do is, so there is this Andhra mess. Again, I have a very fond memory that I used to come here and have dinner after a long day of work. So I'm gonna go there and try some things. Mayuri Andhra mess. And as far as I remember, it was delicious. Andhra food at very affordable and reasonable rate. Right. So quick update on the pricing. The pricing also is very reasonable. We paid 65 rupees for one samosa, one kachori and one bonda. I don't know the individual prices, but I think that's a very good pricing. Now we're going to go to Andhra mess. We paid 65 rupees. I paid 65 rupees. Right. So you can see the entry is very humble here. Yeah. This is the mess you're talking about. So there you have the menu, what all you can get here. Mini meals, full meals, chapati, parotha and all. Egg bhurji, egg masala. Okay, let me decide what to have. So you can have a look at the setup around here. It's a quite decent setup. So I have ordered one chicken non-veg meal for me, which is for 190, and a veg mini meal for her, which is for around 120. Right. So now we are waiting for our food.
I need to entertain you guys. Nothing is happening. I need to do this.
So our meal is here, you can see. And the items are being served. So this is a non-veg meal, so I have an extra chicken item, and few more items will be coming, like as he said, some kebabs and all. And that is her meal. Right.
I was really excited for this topic.
Really excited for the popper. How's that going? Right. So I have a biryani rice as well here. Biryani rice. Nice. Looking nice. Quite a little spread. I have kebab. This is kebab for me. She has mini meals, so maybe a little bit of less. This is biryani rice, chicken biryani rice.
Is there chicken in that?
Not rice, just the rice. You can try.
I want that.
Right. So let us see. Just a moment. Just a moment. Well, I have to say the food is looking tasty and quite promising. Right. Let me try few of the items here. So the chapati is a bit dry. Okay. So this is the chicken masala, I believe.
I want to have rice. Should I take it like this?
Flavors are there for sure. How was your experience, Babu?
Very good, very nice. very fulfilling. Everything is served in one plate.
On banana leaves. Quite a nice experience, must say. Let me try the kebab. See, the kebab is hot and crispy. Amazing, amazing. Made my day. Very good decision to come here.
घी मैडम घी चाहिए
Ghee. No. ले लो.
घी नहीं हो? Acha, you have some condiments also here. That's what is that?
Yes. Mango.
Gongura pickle maybe. Gongura chutney, that is. That is mango pickle. That one is gunpowder.
भैया एक स्पून चाहिए.
Right. Right. So I'm enjoying my food. Let's take another bite of this. Again, kebab I'm liking a little bit too much. So let me add a little of onion. I can break it. It doesn't seem to be possible here. Anyhow, let me put a little bit of lime, a little bit of lemon. And let me just try it. Heavenly. Amazing stuff. Just trying different types of pickles, gongura pickle, mango pickle and all. Right. So let me finish this, then we'll come back to you. Let me enjoy our meal. So we are halfway through our meal. Let me try this papadam a bit. Nice papad. Quite crunchy. You have a bit of curd. Let me take a little bit of white rice. Earlier I tried with the biryani rice. The biryani rice was amazing. Now I'll try with a little bit of white rice. Let me take a small
Can I take your papad?
bit of chicken here. Yes, little of kebab. Yeah, this is going to be a meal. Some lime.
You are making your perfect bite.
A bit of paparam maybe. And also a little bit of bone. Nice meal, but yeah, must say. Right, so we just finished our dinner there. So we have ordered one non-veg meal and one veg mini meal, and it costed us just 310. I mean, of course, just means it's not just in Indian standards, but still I think it's much better than the other places, and the quality of food and the quantity of food does justify the cost. In fact, I would say it's like a good deal. Yes or no? Like the chicken meal was for 190 and the veg mini meal was for 120. So in chicken we got like one chicken curry, chicken masala kind of, and then we got a kebab. We got a chicken kebab as well, and then biryani rice, and the usual items like papadam and dahi and sambar, rice,
Also,
podi and
one
all.
plate of plain rice. You got one chapati.
In one chapati as well, right? Great. So now we're heading back to near Jyotirnas College. Maybe we'll try some fuchka there, right?
Although we have not,
Yes.
we have no place in our stomach to eat puchka, but we really wanted to eat, right?
Yeah.
Will you eat?
Yeah. Means we'll take one and then
We will share.
I will share. That way it will be better. So you can see the roads here are looking nice. In the park, greenery. Amazing stuff. So many scooters parked right beside each other. Looks nice. So now we are again going back to that Jyoti Nivas College road near to that college. That is where the vibe is. Nice. So here there's a nursery. I never saw this. I have passed through these roads so many times. Never noticed. So suddenly the traffic has increased by a lot in this area. And almost like a jam kind of situation has been created there. But yeah, we are here now. We are here right in the middle of action. This is where the vibe is. Right. So there's a sudden influx of people all around here. You can see a lot of people suddenly gathered here at Tea Bites. People are here to eat food, enjoy their lives, and have fun. The tree and the place is lit. You can see here. From this side it is looking better. That is Sain Laban. I think Feel Laban is one dessert story, which is dessert shop, which is very very famous. And this is Sain Laban. You can see here. Oh, the place has suddenly picked up pace. Suddenly a lot of people in that road also. Earlier it wasn't that busy, but now you can see there are a lot of people in there. The place looks amazing, outstanding, extraordinary. You know, so much vibe, so many people. Feels like there's something special going on. Imagine what will be the situation on special days like Christmas or New Year and all. You know, because just on a random Saturday.
When Valentine's Day is coming.
Yeah, on random Saturday you can see so many people out and about enjoying their day. And there's a lot of rush here, you know, everywhere. Everywhere you see people and vibe. That's what Komangla is about. Great. And that's the Empire restaurant, which is very famous. Now we are going here to Chai Days. So she needs to have a chai. So we are coming here to have some chai at Chai Days. And let us see how it will be. So we can see the menu here. The place looks nice. Nice and vibrant, lovely. She is trying to see what she wants to have. I will order one tea, one signature chai maybe, a normal chai. Yes. Here just half an hour ago, and now you can see just in the small amount of time how many people have come here. It's pretty crowded now. A lot of people around here. Right. Yeah, you can see. So we came here. The tea there was a little expensive. So we have come to another shop to find a reasonably priced tea, and I think this is going to do the job. We are here at Chai Story, and she is having tea, buying tea there. Right, Babu? Let her purchase the tea. It's looking nice. You can see a lot of people are sitting on these balconies and enjoying their meal here, as well as even upstairs. A lot of sitting areas there, and this looks so very nice. People on all the sides.
Is there any party
See the
plans?
crowd. No, sorry.
Premier rooftop parties been going on. You will be getting 3-4 access.
Some other day, sorry. You can see so many people lined in front of the pubs trying to get in, and the club people are asking everyone passing by, are you interested in partying and all, so accordingly they will help you out, and that kind of scene is there going on right on this side as well as on the other side as well. A lot of people there as well. You can see what a vibe around this club. A lot of people and very good design. Very nice.
I'm enjoying.
What, do you want to enjoy? You want to go there?
I'm enjoying very much. Yeah, because songs are playing and
You can hear the music from the outside.
You can hear the music while walking on these lanes, so you can enjoy. You can do party outside the club also. So
If you don't have money, or if you don't want to spend money,
if you don't want to spend money,
you can just dance it out on the road.
Yeah.
Have fun here. No one is stopping you. People are having fun. Great, oh, great.
Let's go.
Let's go. Although now people are here and enjoying their time, enjoying their evening, walking around these lanes.